Hi guys, just wanted to talk to you a little bit more about domains. We launched Domain Kicks as a way to get early access to the beginning of this. Just like when I start a tool, I usually give people that are action takers some early access to the core product, and then we always add more to it. One, it helps us to fund the product and make it better and better. We've had a lot of people sign up for Domain Kicks, so we just wanted to share some information to you to kind of give you an idea based on the webinar that we did on Saturday, and possible ways that you can assess what some of these domains are worth, and also maybe get access to some premium domains as an investment. As I said before, the best way to make millions of dollars is to get yourself a domain that's worth $1 million and then sell it for $3 million in a few years and things like that. So I'm going to show you a site that is going to start an auction coming up here that's notably had domains that sell for multi-millions of dollars, and so it's definitely worth checking out. But my new tool is called DomainKicks.com. This is my shameless plug, but we do have a limited time coupon code called Kick50 to take 50% off the lifetime plan and the monthly plan. So go ahead and use that until Tuesday. We'll have that up for you. So just go to DomainKicks.com, set yourself up a new account, and then when you do the checkout, do Kick50 to take 50% off to try it out. Okay. If you have any questions, reach out to my team at daryl.chat, and we'll try to help you out and answer any questions that you have. Again, it's daryl.chat. All right, so the website I want to send you to is shortlisted through go.ht/dot. It's the right of the dot auction. If you see here, right of the dot, here's the actual URL. And what I want you to see is I take you sort of to the main page here. And it has basically the lots. I have an account here. I'm not going to show you what I'm bidding on and things like that. But as you can see here, what I want you to notice is there's a filter, and you can kind of see through the list of what is working is what is getting the most bids. So let me just take a look and see if you have to be. Maybe I have to be logged in. You might have to get an account to see what I was seeing here. Let me just log in here. But I want you to just take a look, even if you're not going to buy anything from these auctions or try to do it, is to just go ahead and see in this filter, high to low, what the pre-bids are going for. So you can see by dollars, nutrition.com is getting the highest bid, and then number 2 is autoloans.com is the highest bid, and then ill.com could be basically people being sick and stuff, I don't know, or it could be a company. Rye.com is $20,000 bid, loaded.com is $10,000 bid. And then if you go in and you say, okay, I want to go by bid count, you can kind of see savemoney.com has the most bids. So that's a niche that definitely has some people interested in it. So it would be a good one to consider when you're buying domains or you're looking for domains on our tool. Look at sort of where the money's going. So automobile, auto loans, a lot of people are buying their cars because of coronavirus right from home. So those .coms are worth a lot. Political stuff is always, selling for a lot in the secondary market. So people will buy this and then resell it. Gourmet foods .com. That's kind of cool. That could be a good brand. It's currently got a $600 bid, and there's no reserve on this one. So some of these will go up pretty high because there's no reserve. They'll get a lot of action on them. Okay, some of these other ones have a reserve. This one has a reserve of $500. All right, so this is right of the dot. The other thing is I want you to think about is namebio.com. And you can also see, what things are selling for. If you sign in with an account, I strongly suggest that you get an account here if you're looking for domains, and then you can kind of see what things are selling for. So these are actual sales, and you can kind of see on all kinds of different levels what things are selling for. But a lot of these are going to be mixed. So you're going to have people that are buying wholesale and things like that. But this right of the dot sometimes gets these, people that are buying, for investments, really big ones, and some are buying for their companies and things like that. So you'll see some very big sales on here on right of the dot. But if you're looking for everyday stuff, just go to namebio.com and get yourself an account, and you can check things out. It looks like they added a live tab. I haven't seen that yet, but that's new on there. So again, just to summarize, the right of the dot auction starts this week, the 23rd, and it goes through the 10th, October 7th. So you have a chance to bid on some of these things. You can register to place your bids. I don't have any affiliation with this at all. I just use it as a research tool just to see what things are going for. If I see something that I would want, then I would put in a bid for it. But as of right now, I don't have a bid on here. I just wanted to show it to you. So it's just go to go.ht/dot, and then you can kind of see that. Again, if you're interested in my tool, it's domainkicks.com. I'll just show you real quick what you do. If you're interested, this Domain Kicks program gives you ways to find really good domains. We got the foundation of the form on there. We log in here, and you'll see it starts off with 3 of each. You can just get rid of any of these that you want, or just hit clear all and put your own stuff in here. You can just go ahead and search. That's not the remarkable part. The good thing is the features that are coming, including this dream list that's here right now. It tells you when they were last checked, and it will give you a new status update and go to your email. We're working on SMS, so it'll tell you as soon as these things become available somehow, if they were dropped or somebody forgot to renew it or whatever, it'll just send you a thing saying this is available to you. So we're going to make this even better and better as we go forward, but just wanted to give people a chance to try it out. If you just take just a couple of these things, like I just play around with this just to see, if there's any of these 3 keywords. And every time you hit the logo, you get another set of keywords that you can check against, or you can bring your own keywords. It's up to you. But we're just checking all of these different extensions against entertainment, hotels, lottery, and we'll see what comes out of it. And then what sometimes will happen is you'll see something in your unavailable list that you want to add to your dream list. And that's the list that you're trying to get at some point if it ever becomes available to you. We're going to add things like, what are the current prices for these? So as you see, these are available over here. So you would want to make sure that you check the pricing on them. We will have it so that this is already done, but I lately I've been buying some things through Pork Bun. It's kind of a funny name, but so we use the bulk search because I find that this works out pretty good. Go ahead, and you'll see some of these have premium. See, so this is $2,000, $2,700 a year. So most of these are premium. But here's entertainment.chat for $36. Okay, so that could be something that you could do a business with. So these are these premium domains. As you can see, they're going up and up and up. That's because the people that own these extensions are trying to get the most money out of them. So they actually own these extra things, the .coms or the .site and things like that. And so they make more money when they sell these this way. It's almost like the whole market is shifted toward premium domains at this stage. Okay, so that's that. So if you hit the domain kicks again, you would go ahead and get this. I typically get rid of one side that I don't like the words as much. So and you can always clear this out and put your own words in here, like plumber or something like that. And you can go ahead and hit search. And it would check against these 3 different combinations of lists on here. So I've been using this just on the background, and I found some really good domains. And in fact, I've sold some of the domains for quite a bit of money. So this is a tool that I made for me, and somebody that purchases many domains a year, it gets some good possibilities that you wouldn't have found somewhere else. So, and we're gonna improve this as well. So we got some data that'll come on this column and on this column as well for the value and whatnot. All right. So I just want to show you this NamesCon. I want to show you the name bio and the fact that we do have this tool. That's our little shameless plug. But the reason why I wanted to tell you about domain kicks is because we do have that coupon code for Kick 50 just until Tuesday if you wanted to take advantage of that. All right. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.